Hey everyone, welcome back to another unboxing. Today we are going to be unboxing a new color in the silhouette, the 350s. These are the Yecheils. So I basically love the 350s. It's like walking on a cloud almost. They're the comfiest shoes. I swear I could walk 12 hours in them. But the one thing that I don't have in my collection is a darker silhouette. So I'm excited to see what these ones look like. Hopefully have a darker silhouette that I can mix and match my wardrobe with. Let's check it out and see what they look like. All right. So again, these are the Yecheil 350s. Right. Okay, wow, we've got a lot going on here. A lot going on. So in the image, I felt like it looked a little bit more black in tone, not so bright in color. But yeah, if you're a bright person, these definitely are the shoes for you. I'm not quite sure this is exactly what I was looking for, but we'll give it a go. Try them on, see what they feel and look like. But the Yecheils definitely, this looks like a harder tone to kind of mix and match with your wardrobe. You might need to be in more solids to wear this silhouette and this color. But yeah, let's put them on. See what they look like, shall we? And then the 350 silhouette, I always get a size up. So we'll see how these feel. All right, guys, we're gonna hop on this counter. It's just a kitchen counter, right? Doesn't matter. All right, let's see them in the light here. Yeah, I mean, they're nice. It's definitely one of my go-to silhouettes, but I don't think I'm as crazy about the color like I thought, because I was hoping to just kind of get a neutral, dark colorway. But yeah, these are the Yecheils.